Hey everybody, it's Ethio Aerospace Engineering Channel in Bahir Dar University, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving headfirst into the world of aerospace engineering, a field that's bursting with innovation and pushing the boundaries of what we thought was possible. We're talking hypersonic planes that could cross continents in a couple of hours, rockets being 3D printed like they're straight out of a sci-fi movie, and spacecraft designed to unravel the mysteries of the cosmos. The future of aerospace engineering is full of innovation. Hypersonic planes could travel at speeds over Mach 5. Electric and hybrid aircraft aim to reduce emissions. 3D printing is revolutionizing how we build rockets and satellites. The sky is no longer the limit. So, if you've ever looked up at the night sky and wondered about the science and engineering that makes space exploration possible, or if you're just curious about how planes actually stay up, it's not magic, I promise, then stick around because this video is for you. Get ready to explore the myths, the mind-blowing facts, and the groundbreaking innovations that are shaping the future of aerospace engineering.